guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the DPF soot buildup on a Mercedes GL350. So this is a Mercedes GL350 2011. So first let's discuss what's the problem and then we will jump to solution. So here's the problem. There was a check engine light and I felt loss of power. And when I scanned the car, the code shows P2463 as you can see on the screen. Soot accumulation. It is mainly due to city-only driving and less highway. As soot accumulates and due to non-regeneration happening or incomplete regeneration, over time DPF is clogged, which create back pressure, oil consumption, loss of power with check engine light. So let's fix it. This is a Liquimoly product which I got from Amazon. You can also find it from your local parts store. It's a two-part system. One is the purge and one is a diesel particulate filter cleaner. So these are two product combination which I used. So first we use diesel particulate filter cleaner and wait for 15-20 minutes, and then we use filter purge. So these two products that I got from Amazon costed less than $100 Canadian. Let's see how we use it. So this is the underbody rust proofing gun that I used to dump the Liquimoly cleaner in the DPF. It comes with a gun, it comes with a container. You can just fill in the DPF cleaner inside this, connect with your air compressor, regulate the PSI to 60 to 70 PSI, and also you get additional nozzle, but it will not pass the sensor on the DPF. So there's a trick I will show you down the video. So there is a Liquimoly kit also that you can get, but it is so expensive. So this is the best alternative for just $30. So this vehicle is not on jack. Simply raise the vehicle using the switch inside and it will have enough space to crawl in and fix the issue. So this is temperature sensors that is connected to the DPF, and this is the whole DPF assembly that you can see here. And DPF is connected to the exhaust. This is the exhaust tailpipe. This is a DPF, and it comes from the catalytic converter. So catalytic converter, it goes down to the temperature sensor, then the DPF. So it took some time for an effort to remove it as it was stuck badly. I had to use some rust plaster, lubricant, and then it was easy to remove the temperature sensor from the DPF. You need to remove this temperature sensor so that you can get access to fill in the cleaner through this temperature sensor hole. So here I'm using a digital scope camera to check the condition of the DPF. And here you can see that it's fully clogged by soot and it was not regenerating because it exceeded the level where it needs manual regeneration or an external support to clear out the soot from the DPF. This was the only reason it was showing back pressure and lack of power. So now I'm putting the cleaner to the container. Lock it up, connect to the air hose, fill the hole. That's it. So we should not pump all the cleaner at once. Here you can see that I am doing one shot, waiting for 10 to 15 seconds and taking the second shot. We need to do it step by step. It will get the cleaner deep and loosen up the soot, and eventually we can burn it up during the regeneration process. I am speeding up the video, but this process took more than 30 minutes. Same way, once the cleaner is dumped in the DPF, we should wait 15 to 20 minutes and do the same process with the diesel purge. So I'm putting the diesel purge in the container, same way, lock it up, connect to the air hose and fill up the hole. Same way, you should do one shot at a time, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then take the second shot. I'm not showing you the entire process. Now I'm just connecting the temperature sensor back. First I will hand tight it and then you can tighten it to the specific torques. I'm not using any specific torque. I'm just tightening the temperature sensor with spanner. Okay, let's start the vehicle and take out for a drive. I don't have a specific scan tool to perform a manual regeneration through scan tool, so I'm sticking to ECM to kick in the regeneration process. To monitor, I will connect my scanner to the OBD and select the live data feature like DPF pressure sensor, temperature, and drive it on a highway speed. I made sure that I drive for more than 30-35 minutes and keeping the RPM above 2000. So after driving for some time, the trigger for DPF, which was at 100%, started regen and Mercedes regained the power and DPF was completely clear. Later I cleared the code and the check engine light was gone. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more such videos.